Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool AT&T Signature Princess Desk Telephone, and this is Karen's equipment from Illinois. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Karen's got a note with this unit, and she had sent it to a repair telephone company, and basically they didn't do anything to it, or they went through it and weren't giving her any straight answers. And so basically Karen had the company return it to her, and now she sent it to A1 Telephone. So now what we want to do is troubleshoot everything. Now we have a note with the unit, and she's having a problem with the receive. If you notice on the front of the unit, there is a slide volume control for the audio, the receive, from normal to loud. And so it is a pretty cool telephone. She's also talking about having a possible dialing issue. We want to go ahead and troubleshoot the entire telephone while it's in the shop. And we're going to go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool AT&T Signature Princess telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. All the issues have been resolved. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this amplified pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it would be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now Now what we can do is use our volume control, and we'll go ahead and turn it up and down. It may feed back a little bit because it's also amplified. Now what we can do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Sunday, October 14th. The current time, 10:51 p.m. and the temperature, 46 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can go ahead and call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We'll go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool AT&T Signature Princess telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Karen and she can enjoy this really cool telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.